party start to begin. And by the way, guys, we got it here. Woo! No way! 7X on a crazy. Let's go there. Woo! All right, ladies and gentlemen. 7X on a crazy time here. Wow. Oh my, oh my. Elilt, remember I told you, though, that one of these sessions should be good. The previous one was not that good, This session should be the greatest of all time. 7X with a player. Nice board. We need a doubles. Just choose your flopper. Green, blue, or yellow? Yeah, blue is always in the lead, with a 35% on player. 37, guys. I don't know. Let's push it. Let's go. All right, guys. All right. Woo! All right. Blue flopper with a big win.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.